Welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to delete a Word file using the Dropbox mobile app, the updated way, step by step. Whether you're trying to clear up space or just tidy up your files, this quick guide will help you get it done smoothly on your phone. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once you're inside, you'll want to head to the Files tab, which you can find right at the bottom of the screen. This section shows all your stored files and folders, making it easy to browse and manage your documents. Next, scroll through your files to find the Word document you want to delete. When you've spotted the file, look for a small icon with 3 dots. This is your Options menu. It's usually located to the right of the file name. Tap on those 3 dots to bring up a list of actions you can take with that file. From the menu, select Delete. The app will then ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this Word document. This confirmation step is important. Once you confirm, the file will be removed from your Dropbox account on your mobile device, freeing up space and keeping your list neat and organized. And that's it. Deleting a Word file in the Dropbox mobile app is straightforward and quick once you know where to look. Just remember, if you accidentally delete something, Dropbox usually lets you restore files from the trash within a certain time, so don't panic if you change your mind. Thanks for following along.